Hello, this video is about testing proportion 1 and proportion 2 of two populations using Ztest. Here we test whether proportion 1 equals proportion 2. First, we need to write down the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis like this. And then we make the decision rule is to reject HO at 5% level of significance if this. Now we use Stat Analysis Plus to do this test. It's in add-ins and press Stat Analysis Plus. Then we choose the test two proportions. It's here. Press OK. We select the variable 1 range. And now we select the variable 2 range. The code for success is 1. Since we want to whether they equal each other or not, so the difference here is 0. Because we just select the x1 and x2 in this range, so we need to tick the labels. The alpha here is 0.05 because we want to test it 8 at 5% level of significance. When all is done, we press OK. It will show in the new sheet. We move it here to this sheet. This is the Ztest. Because we want to test whether it equals each other or not, so it's a two-tail test. We compare the statistics with the critical value, which is this. It's smaller than the critical. And the p-value is bigger than alpha. So we can make the conclusion that HO is not rejected.